Okay, continuation of the last video. Yep, truck bottomed out, so we're sitting on the side of the main grade road, waiting for someone to come by that can tow us out. So, good luck, everybody. Good luck to us. I have what's left of the Diet Coke, and I have a fully charged phone, but with no signal. So, anyway, it's beautiful out here. It's a beautiful day in Florida, and this is kind of like our own version of Naked and Afraid, but it's more of not naked and not really afraid, but just kind of more like, anyway, hope the truck's okay. Love you guys. Bye.